that one didn't happen to me the first time around, so I didn't think you could get away from them. But apparently I'm a hell of a fence jumper drunk, so go figure.
If it makes you feel any better, Kim, about killing the goose, I was riding a horse and a bird tried to fly in front of my horse. The horse kicked the bird and killed it.
Oh, that would have been good. Yeah, speaking of the goose, I kind of skipped over the part. As I'm walking back to town to get to my horse, because he's, of course, out of whistle range, this flock of geese, that's good. Flock of geese is like right next to me on the road. Gaggle. Alright, whatever.
It's a gaggle of geese. That's the true.
I want to go in there.
Gaggle of geese.
Thank you, Mutual of the Wild Kingdom. Anyway, they take off and go to fly, and one is flying low enough that as I'm walking down the road, it runs into my forehead and just died. So apparently Arthur Morgan has a hell of a forehead because it killed a goose.
You have to move.
So I'm sitting there, I'm looking at this goose after I'm laughing my ass off. I'm thinking, well, hell, free goose meat, there we go. So I skin the sucker out, put it in my little satchel, and away we go. So, yeah. Yeah, exactly.
That Lenny mission seems so long ago for me.
Where are you going?
Oh my god.
So long ago.
I just don't think it's going to reach the hype levels that GTA Online did.
Well, probably not, no.
Yeah.
But I wish it would just be like the first Redemption, you know, the online for it. That was fun. I don't know how many hours in that.
I think they need to release the Nightmares, a Nightmares pack. I think that was one thing that really galvanized everybody who was playing against the zombie.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, that was fun.
Kim, what else?
So other than that, I fired up Strange Brigade last night because the friends I've been playing with, her parents finally left, so she got hold of me last night. Want to play some more Strange Brigade? And of course, I'm still trying to beat the end of the game. And I'm like, yeah, sure. So we did some more Strange Brigade last night, and well, that's it until we get to talking about the other thing. So
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Gary, what about you?
Still playing the golf club, 2019. Play it every day, pretty much. Get in, play a quick course. Doing the golfclubtours.com, event. I'm on the tour there. I actually won. Won one of the freaking tournaments and got promoted. Yeah.
All right. Okay. This has all of the official
Not all. Has TVs.
Not all of them. Okay.
So, but yeah, it's cool. I'm enjoying it. It's a quick game. It's 20 minutes. I can go play quick. Joined up in another league, just a private one with some guys on their forum. So we do that, and it's a little side thing I get to do. Keeps me busy. I don't think we ever really talked, but God of War, because we had all the end of season shows, and then the Game of the Years, and our future. I did finish God of War. You guys all know it was my Game of the Year from that podcast. Boy, that last battle was phenomenal. It took me hours and hours to win it to 100% the game, but
that last Valkyrie,
eventually
Sarah was saying that them Valkyries were tough. I'm not even
what it was.
One of them yet.
You will arrive at your destination at 9:38.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Turn left, Glove is close. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
Stop there, wouldn't you? Oh, and we got to park right where I need to fucking go.
At the end of the road, turn left, Glove is close. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
I can't go nowhere. Fuck all I can do about that, buddy. No point coming down this way, mate. smooth.
Anyway, then I watched some videos, and I saw people using their shields more, and I changed the you know, your raid, what are the you know, your superpowers there. I can't remember what they called them in the game anymore. It's been so long, but it was fun. I was so glad I did it, because I very rarely 100% a game. That game was just perfect. It was right up my alley with what I like
You
to
say
play.
100%. Are you saying you finished it, or are you saying you actually 100% like got all trophies?
I got platinum. I got all trophies.
All right. Okay.
I
Wow.
finished the game, and then I had to fight a few more Valkyries, which were kind of like mini bosses, and then
Bit more.
after you beat 9, I think it was 9 of them,
Bit more.
or 8 or 9, then you fought like the Queen Valkyrie, and she was a
Fuck's
bitch.
sake.
Her
Fucking
health
people
bar
ain't got
was,
a
like,
fucking
the size
clue.
of the